If you use OneDrive every day, pinning it to quick access is one of the easiest ways to save time and make File Explorer feel a lot more organized. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to pin OneDrive to quick access in just a few clicks so you can open it faster whenever you need your files, folders, or synced cloud storage. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open File Explorer on your Windows PC. You can do this from the taskbar, the Start menu, or by pressing the Windows key and E together. Once File Explorer is open, look at the left sidebar. This is where Windows shows your main locations, like Quick Access, this PC, Downloads, and OneDrive if it's already set up on your device. Now scroll through that left panel and find OneDrive. Depending on your setup, you may see your OneDrive name listed there, and it might include your personal account or work account. When you find it, right-click on OneDrive. A menu will appear with several different options. From that menu, look for the option that says Pin to Quick Access and click it. This tells Windows to add OneDrive to the Quick Access section at the top of File Explorer, so you don't have to keep searching for it later. Once you click it, the change happens immediately. You should now see OneDrive appear in your Quick Access area, making it much easier to open with a single click. If you want, you can even drag it up or use it alongside your other favorite folders for a cleaner workflow. This is especially helpful if you use OneDrive for school, work, or sharing files across multiple devices because it keeps your cloud storage right where you need it. And that's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to pin OneDrive to quick access in File Explorer, which makes access faster and your workflow more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick Windows tips, beginner-friendly tutorials, and productivity shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.